Hi, today I'm going to show you how to solve this halo problem for a Sony home theater DZ350. This solution will also work with DZ650 and DZ950 because they share the same board. As you can see, this home theater is stuck on the halo. So the main culprit here is usually this RAM IC most of the time, but sometimes it could be some related component. So first we start to test the 3.3 volts on the inductor that supplies voltage to this RAM IC. As you can see, the 3.3 volts is present, and now measure the first pin of the RAM IC, which is usually also 3.3, and also you can see it is present. So also some other thing to notice is this resistor packs R300 to R308, the 333 ohms resistor. Also you can try and confirm if the resistor are okay, because sometimes if they're faulty it also brings the same error. So for us to work on this board, we need to remove this board from the home theater. So we take out all the screws and the screws from the side panels. After removing all the screws, we remove the side panel and then the board. And then we start to remove this RAM IC. Usually what I try to do, I try to take all the parts that are close to the IC so that I want to burn them, as this the optical ports and the closest capacitor, electrolytic capacitor that are close to the IC, and the plastic connector, because if you use hot air around those things, they will burn them and the capacitors could explode. So these are 16 volts 100 megafarad capacitor, all of them are the same. So you have to note where you have taken them so that you need to return them. So I apply flux on the IC, use the hot air, but I did not show this video because I was recording and doing this thing at the same time. And then use a solder wick to wick all the factory solder so that it will have a flat surface. After finishing that, I took the new ICs which I bought from China, AliExpress. You can search the part number EM638165TS, and that is the part number. You cannot see there. So for you to put it back, you have to note the first pin, which is noted on that dot. So, and also you see on the board is a marking. You have to make sure that is on that dot. You just align them. So what I did, I just aligned the IC, tap a few pins with some solder, as you can see, and then I use a soldering iron, flux, and solder to finish putting the IC. After that, to remove all the flux, I do not have usually I use what you call acetone. Acetone can work if you don't have an isopropyl alcohol. So I use that, return everything that I took out, the capacitors and the optical thing, and now is the testing part. As you can see, when I first tried to load it after testing out, you can see that the halo is fixed, and now we're on optical because the machine we usually use with a TV to amplify the amplifier from the TV. So everything is working as it should, the volume is there. I did not connect the speakers, but after finishing this video I connected everything, the speakers, also I tested the tuner, and I made sure everything was working as it was supposed to be. Because also the other thing you'll note on this video, I tried to test the DVD but it wasn't working, as one of the gears had was broken inside. But I talked to the user, the owner of the machine, and he said that it is not a big problem, as usually was not using the DVD drive to play anything. So I can say this machine is fixed. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and like this video if you like it. I'll see you on the next video.